Hey, all crazy pop here, and today we're making us some breakfast. I'm gonna make me a ham and cheese omelet right here on this Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be super delicious, gonna be so good. I've made these before and I love them. Family loves them, I love them, everybody loves them. Who don't love them? Who don't love a good, just a plain ham and cheese omelet? All kind of ingredients you can put into it, but sometimes just a good old ham and cheese is the way to go. So, not gonna over talk it, very few ingredients, really simple. But if you're new here, consider subscribing, ring that bell notification, hit that thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, let us know where you're from. Would love to welcome you here at Crazy Acres. But if you've been here, thank you so much. Your support is really showing, loving it. Thank you for all the comments, all the subscribing, all the bell notifications, all the thumbs up, everything you've been doing really helps us out. We're growing, love it, thank you. Also, if you're looking for any other recipes we've done, look down there in the description. There's all kind of links down there, but also our recipe playlist is down there. But our Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, you know, our email, our P.O. box, all that's down there also. But check out that playlist. You may find something if you like. If you don't see it, let me know. We'll try to get it out there for you. So with that being said, let's fire this thing up. Let's show you some groceries. One more thing. I got a huge happy birthday. Huge shout out to Andrew, who just turned 18. He let me know. He asked for a shout out. There it is, buddy. Happy birthday. Hope you had a great one. All right, y'all. For this cook, we're just going to use the middle two burners. Get them going. We're just going to turn them down to the low. That's where we want to go. Now, when I said there's very few ingredients, there really are. What I have here is I got 4 eggs mixed up. Now, I will split this omelet with somebody here, I'm sure. That's the reason I'm making such a big one. Anyhow, we got some Colby Monterey Jack shredded cheese. We got some already diced up ham. We got some butter. Right here, y'all, the magic. The Blackstone breakfast blend. Y'all know I love this stuff. This stuff is good on burgers, all kinds of food, and it's delicious in some eggs. Okay, our griddle's up to temp, but we're gonna go ahead and use our new handy dandy Blackstone IR temperature gun. It's also got a probe on it, check meat. I've never used this on here before. This thing's awesome. So anyhow, we are running right around, I don't know, 350. Our average is probably around 350. It's actually probably a little too hot, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut one burner off, leave one burner going, because the secret to eggs, thank you Blackstone Betty, is low. You want a low temp. So now I only have one burner on low. The thing's hot enough. Residual heat from now here on out will just cook these eggs. Let's get it on the griddle. We're gonna throw down some butter. Now, these eggs, pour slow. And what we're looking for is trying to get them in a more kind of a rectangle-ish kind of a shape. Get them all on there. There we go. All right, that's looking pretty good, I think. Overall, that's not bad. It's not bad. Let's go ahead and get our ham on over here, get it warming up. Like I said, the residual heat will cook a lot of this. Throw some of this awesome cheese down. Make a big omelet, y'all. Now, here comes the magic. Season it all up with this amazing breakfast blend. Let that omelet sit there for just a second while we mix up our ham over here, get everything all toasty and good and warm and nice and tasty. Won't take but just a second. Oh yeah, ham's getting hot already, y'all. Let's go ahead and dump just some of it on here. We'll leave some of it here as a topping. Now from here, we will fold this over. I ain't gonna say it's gonna be a pretty one. Fold this over. Fold that. Can I do it? Can I do it? I think I did, y'all. I think I did. Now we'll let that cook for just a minute and then we'll flip it. Won't be long, we'll be eating an egg. An omelet egg. A ham and cheese omelet egg. All right, y'all, this omelet's been cooking maybe for a minute or so on that side. Let's give it a flip. The easiest way I found to flip it is use 2 spatulas and flip it over. Look at that. Looking good. Now here's the thing, I'll probably flip it a couple more times. I'm scared of it burning on one side or getting too done on one side, but I need it cooked throughout. So I just keep on flipping it till it's nice and golden brown color on both sides. Then we're gonna pull it up and dress it up. We're gonna eat it up. All right, we give it a couple flips. I think it's done all the way throughout. Got a nice little pretty color on each side. It's time to plate it up. Look at that, y'all. We got one more thing to do with it. We're gonna hit it with some cheese. Hit it with this ham, y'all. Look at that, look at that. That's why we saved the ham. Y'all, this is beautiful. You gotta check this out. Just look at the beautiful creation I done made up on the Blackstone Griddle. That is a beautiful ham and cheese omelet right there. Knowing that breakfast blend seasoning's in it too. Man, we gotta try this out. What y'all think about that? That looks good, don't it? Super quick, super easy. The fix to find out if it's super delicious. But man, I know this is a quick video, but I just kind of want to throw this out there, how easy it is to make these little trifold omelets. I've been practicing, I ain't gonna lie, Jess. You know, Mike, I told y'all that eggs is not my thing. I've been practicing. So, we gotta try this out, y'all. Huh, man, yeah, buddy. That ham and cheese, that breakfast blend, all wrapped in the ooey gooey, nice tasting little omelet. Oh yeah, just like a egg hot pocket. It's so good, it is delicious. Y'all gotta try this out. Super simple, like I said, so good though. So that being said, hey, thank you for watching. If you ain't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have been subscribed, thank you so much. And I got to finish, I said I was gonna split this. We'll have to see. Either way, we'll see you next time.